National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in southern Mississippi until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gautier, or near Moss Point, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moss Point, Escatawpa, Gautier, Vancleave, Hickory Hills, and Helena. This includes Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 57 and 72. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Mississippi,